Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to use the NotebookLM. This is the complete guide, and I will teach you how you can create the AI videos, AI audios, AI PPTs, and a lot of other things using single click and using the NotebookLM. So let's jump into the video and make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Go to the Google and write NotebookLM. So once you write, a link will appear with the Google, and you have to click on this link and the website will open like this. So make sure you have a Google account, then click on the try NotebookLM, and once you are click here, you will be logged in like here. As I have Google account, so I am already logged in. So the interface will be like this. So you can see a lot of things. So we will start from the settings. So in setting, you can ask for help, feedback, and especially the output languages. So I am using the English, but you can choose any language you want. So but there could be some limited language, and I have saved it. So the next thing we can see is upgrade. We can also upgrade for more functions. Let's see, is it expensive or cheap? Yeah, only $3.99 per month. So this is very cheap. So, but there are a lot of things we can do for free using the simple version. This is the setting, and this is the device outlook, like light mode, dark mode, or device mode. Any mode you can choose. So this is the project, and you can create a project by clicking this plus button. Okay, the project is created. So it is asking us to provide the source. So we need to upload a link, upload a YouTube video link, or a Google Drive, or we need to paste the text, or need to upload any file. It will use that file to make what you want. So if you cannot see this window, you have to click here, add source, on left hand side, or you can also search. So let's search, like I am a researcher, so I will use the batteries. Okay, it will give us a lot of links from the Google, and then you can choose that links. So we need to wait. So here are different links. So these links are selected. So if you don't want all of these links, you can uncheck them. Okay, I will maybe from MIT News, I will, and then import. So the one link from the Google which I have chosen is MIT News. So it's about some flow batteries. So I can use this source. No, it's selected, and to create different projects like audio generations and slides from using this source, video generations, it includes the audio and video, and mind maps, reports and flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and data tables. So this is the one way. So let's see what is inside the audio. You can click this, and here you can choose different things like language. You can choose different format, and you give the instruction, it will give you the audio generations. So for the slide generations or PPT, you can also give some instructions how it's going to give you the PPT. If you don't give any instruction, it will give you a default by using his own information. And third is video, and we can also use different styles, everything, and also give the prompt to make the good video. And similarly, we can use the mind map, but we cannot give any instructions. And for the reports, this is very important for the students. So you can create your own reports, briefing document, study guide, or blog posts. So there are many information you can extract or make it by a single click, and many other informations. And another is flashcard, and flashcard also can be created using the prompts, and you can modify them. You can try different options. And similarly, you can use the quizzes to create the quizzes. This is very important for the teachers. And infographic for the researchers, you can give the instructions. And similarly, the data table, it will quickly summarize everything from the source in the form of table. So you can also create you can also add some notes. You can also talk to some So it will summarize, or you can give a full prompt. So it's summarizing from this source. So you can even do a lot of things. You can chat with it. And if you don't want to use this source, you can simply uncheck. No, it's not going to use the source. So it's going to use other source. You must provide the source. I will add another source. This time I am going to provide him the maybe a review paper. So it's uploading. It will take some time. Meanwhile, you can go back by clicking here. So now you are on the main page. Here you can see your project. You can delete, you can edit title, or you can make new one also. So I will click again this, and you can see, and you can also do the fast research, deep research, a lot of things you can do. So here you can see the PDF is uploaded. So no two links are selected. So I will choose this only PDF, and you can also delete this source or rename this. So let's see this, and mind map. You can choose any option you want. So this is the way how we can use this NotebookLM for the research, for making audios, for creating the AI videos. Just we need to provide a source and click on right hand side to get anything by a single click. If you think these videos are helpful, please make sure you subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much.